starting my day off with celery juice and my avocado toast with a hard-boiled egg, some tomatoes on the side, and a fruit salad. Delicious. Bring it in the sunshine for you guys. Look how nice that looks. Beautiful. I have a half a grapefruit, half of an orange, and a half a banana. Just drinking some coffee right now. I drink my coffee black because it's like the healthiest that way, and I like the way it tastes. Be positive, people. Snack time. Hi guys, for lunch today, I am going to heat up on the stove some of the leftover grilled chicken that I grilled last night for dinner, which was fire. Oh my god. My grilled chicken is so good. I put oregano, basil, and turmeric on my grilled chicken, and then I put a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette inside the pan. It browns up so nicely. So I'm going to have that plus some Brussels sprouts on the side, which I made also in advance in the oven with olive oil and garlic. And then additionally, I am going to have some pita bread with hummus on the side, and I'm very excited to eat because I am hungry. I'm always excited to eat anytime I'm like, oh my god, I'm making food, I'm so excited to eat. Yeah, and of course I have my big water bottle that I drink throughout the day. I'm just gonna have like a handful of these because I want to, and I want something sweet. I just got extremely hungry and had a bowl of Cheerios. It is finally dinner time, and I am about to eat some scallops and broccoli. Very plain Jane, kind of boring, but I'm making the scallops with rosemary from the garden, and I'm making the broccoli, basically just steaming the broccoli. This is kind of like something that I would eat if I'm like trying to lose weight, which I'm like kind of trying, I guess, but also not really. I feel like I've been working out so much during this quarantine to the point where I don't really have to eat super clean to actually lose weight, but it definitely helps. I feel like whatever the saying is, 90% of your fitness goals are achieved in the kitchen, and that is definitely true, but you also have to work out a lot. So I've been working out a lot. Yeah. Hi guys, what I eat in a day. Again, here we go. Today I'm eating some steel cut oatmeal, half a banana, frozen blueberries, peanut butter, and chia seeds. I am also drinking some water and iced coffee. I'm gonna have an omelet for lunch along with avocado toast on the side, just because I feel like doing a little brunch lunch, you know what I mean? Sometimes you have to switch it up, and if you want to remain like healthy in terms of hitting your macros, protein, carbs, and fats. The fats I'm going to get from the avocado, the carbs from the vegetables and the bread or the toast, and then my protein will come from the eggs. So rather than just eating brown rice, grilled chicken, and vegetables all the time, which can get very boring, I recommend doing a little brunch. This is the final product. It's basically a veggie scramble. I added 2 whole eggs into my broccoli, beans, and tomato. I have avocado toast on the side with whole wheat bread, and I just topped everything with a little salt and pepper. And I'm about to dig in. This looks so good, so healthy. Something that I have been snacking on recently, and pretty much all throughout the quarantine, are these little peanut butter bites, frozen peanut butter bites. They are so good. I prepare these ahead of time, freeze them overnight, and then they are to die for. They're so good. So I'm about to eat one of these right now. I'm having a little cucumber salad right now just because I want something to eat, but nothing like too crazy heavy, and this is the perfect solution. I put some balsamic vinaigrette in here, tomatoes, and onions. I am having my second cup of coffee right now, and this time I added some unsweetened almond milk. Yeah, boy. I was about to dive right into this. I totally forgot that I was recording a what I eat in a day video, but here I have some whole wheat pasta, cooked and peeled shrimp, Parmesan cheese, slices of mozzarella cheese inside the mix. Not slices, like cubes of mozzarella cheese. Oh, you can see one right there. It's like melted. So good. And the like red sauce, marinara sauce. Wow, I look crazy right now. I don't know if you guys want to see how I'm making everything, because I could definitely go into detail of like how I specifically made this. Like I used oregano and basil, garlic, and onion also, but I don't know if you guys are interested in that. Give this video a thumbs up if you are interested in seeing how I'm making the food that I'm making. I'm gonna enjoy this right now. I'm very excited to eat this. Oh my god, how many times do I say I'm excited to eat something like right before I'm eating it? Well, anyway, I hope that you guys are enjoying your day or night, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope you're safe. And yeah, peace and love. Okay, so for breakfast, I had steel cut oatmeal with fresh blueberries. Oh good. And then I decided later on to add a little bit of peanut butter and chia seeds into the mix, along with a nice black coffee in my cute little I Heart Yoga mug. Y'all, I just made these flourless, eggless, banana muffins. This is my third time making these muffins. The first time I followed the recipe exactly. The next time I used peanut butter instead of almond butter, and then this time I used peanut butter instead of almond butter, and I also used chickpeas instead of white beans. And technically that is part of the recipe. They say just like any type of white bean, which like a chickpea is considered a white bean. I mean, same as like a regular white bean, but these are really, really good. You can already see this one kind of like sinking. So that's what actually happens to these muffins. I will link the recipe down below. It's not my recipe. It's like, I don't even know what the name of the thing is, but this one looks so good. This one, I'm gonna eat it. Woo, look at this beautiful salad. We got some romaine lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and black beans. Something that I'm going to do right now is actually add nutritional yeast. This stuff like straight up looks like fish food, and it doesn't taste the best, but if you are looking for a plant-based source of protein and just like health in general, it says adds delicious flavor to foods. That's definitely not true, but let's see, what's like the deal with this? I don't know. I don't know why I eat this. I just eat this because like YouTubers told me to eat it. This stuff has 5 grams of protein and 3 carbs. Yeah, nutritional yeast. And then I'm going to use my Ken's balsamic dressing. Clearly it's more aesthetically pleasing when we don't have the dressing and the nutritional yeast on, but this is my lunch today. I completely forgot that I was planning on adding avocado to my salad as well. So here it is, here we go. It looks delicious. I'm just like extremely hungry for no reason. So I'm gonna snack on some of these blueberries right now. Joey and I already started because we couldn't wait. But for dinner, we both got the same exact salad. We got the ensalada primavera with grilled chicken from a local Italian restaurant. And they give us this really, really good focaccia bread that is just like to die for. And we are drinking some vino, quarantine wine. Cheers, baby. my breakfast. Got some scrambled eggs, avocado toast with everything but the bagel seasoning, and some grapefruit on the side. I also add this to my eggies. I got this in the Caribbean and it's poppin'. Okay, so I'm very hungry for lunch and I have no idea what to make, but I did just get some ground turkey from ShopRite, so I'm gonna do something with it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna do something with it. Ew, this is so gross. I never do this. I never deal with this. I'm literally mushing up a bird. I feel disgusting. This is the final product. I made some turkey meatballs without any breading, simply because I kind of forgot. This is my first time making meatballs ever, and they are stuffed with mozzarella cheese, just to make it even better. And then I just have two sides. I have some riced cauliflower mixed with brown rice and some onions, and then I also have some kale. I'm gonna eat this now. I'm so excited because my boyfriend's about to come over. We're gonna make some tacos and then watch some Ozark. So exciting. Just a little oil, right? Where's mine? There we go.
I'm gonna go chef around the restaurant.
The sauce. By yours truly. Fire! What I do in a day. Oh, that one looks good. Yummy. How is it? 10 out of 10?
Amazing.
That hair looks 10 out of 10 too. Who did your hair? Hey. Alright, now my turn. This taco, baby. Hey guys, what's up? This is another what I eat in a day video, and I am just like so excited to make this video for you guys. This morning, I woke up pretty early. I went to the park and did yoga. Then I did some laps in my pool. Today for breakfast, I'm having a little egg frittata with basil. And I don't even know if this is a frittata. I literally just cracked one egg and 2 egg whites into a pan with basil. And then I flipped it like completely over in the shape of the pan. So if that's a frittata, then sure, that's what I'm having. But if not, then I'm having eggs and basil. On the side here, I am going to have a little fruit salad. I have oranges, blueberries, and bananas cut up. Now I'm just having some iced coffee while I do some work on my laptop. And I will definitely be needing a refill for this because this cup is so small that the cups that I usually use for coffee are all dirty. Cheers. I just had a couple bites of my leftover salad, just like chicken and arugula. Yeah, I'm having a half of a grapefruit as a snack right now. Really? Alright, we got some tacos for dinner. Joey got the tuna tacos, and I got the veggie tacos. Yes. Margaritas to go. Woo!
Those last 9 a.m. Well, I think the cops are supposed to do that. The cops are supposed to act as a referee too. There's videos of guys getting into street fights in Seattle and cops just standing around watching.
Hey now.
Hey now.
I look scary with my mask. Yumma. Cheese. Cheese. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, go ahead and go for it. Click that subscribe button. Bye guys.